Hello children, how are you all? Now I believe you all are studying well and doing the work given in last days and also working with the new concepts that we have learned in the last sections. Okay, today we can continue our lesson list with some new concepts. Okay, so first one, insert. See children, the insert function is used to add element in any position. Okay, you can specify the index position. Okay, see, we already learned two methods to add elements into our list. First one is append and second one is extend. By using this append method, not only by using append, both append and extend method are used to add elements at the end of the list. Okay, and the append method is used to add only one element, whereas extend method is used to add multiple elements. Okay, see here the new concept is insert. By using this insert method, you can add new element at any position. So this is a syntax list object dot insert position item. So here you can specify the position, then the item you can send. Okay, see the example L1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, then L1. So it print 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, then L1 dot insert, where L1 is our list name. Okay, then L1 dot insert of 3, 35 means this 35 will be replaced in the third position. Here the third position element is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 40. Okay, so the new element 35 not replace, your new element will add in the third position. So here 10, 20, 30, 35. Okay children, now 35 in the third position and the total number of elements are 5. Okay, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay children, the next one L1 is equal to same list, then L1 print L1 dot insert 0, 5. 0 means 0th position, that is the beginning position. 0, 5 means the 5 will add at the beginning of your list. So see, now you can see the 5 present at the beginning of the list. Next one L1 dot insert of len of L1, 100. See here 100. Okay, len of L1, len of length means you will get the last index position. Okay, length specify the index of last element. Okay, now the index of last element, the total length will be specified. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 element. Okay, then len of L1 is equal to 5. So the new element will add at the end of the list. See the fifth position, the 100 is added. Then L1 dot insert of minus 10, 2. See minus 10 is beyond our limit. Okay, see minus 10 beyond our limit. So this 2 will add at the beginning of the list. See here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and minus 8. So the last element index number is minus 8. Okay. Then next one, pop. Pop method we already discussed in last time. Once again we can discuss this pop method. Okay, it is used to remove item from list. And also when we use this pop method, it not only remove the item but also it returns the removed item. See the index list object dot pop of index. So here this is our list. L1 dot pop means it will return the last element. See, nothing is specified in this bracket. That's why it will return the last element. When you specify the number, then that position's element will return. Okay, that will remove and return. Okay, children. So here value is equal to L1 dot pop of 2 means here 0, 1, 2. So third position, second position element is 30. That's why it removed and returns this 30. When you print this element, you will get only 10, 20, 40. Okay, 50 we already removed by using this statement. That's why here 10, 20, 40. Okay, children. The next one. See, the pop method raises an exception, that is the runtime error if the list is already empty. So see here, Here L1 is equal to empty list only square bracket. That means it is an empty list. Then L1 dot pop means it will raise an error. That error is called a runtime error. What is the error? Index error, pop from empty list. Okay, so most recent callback, call last file, shell 19, line 1 in module L1.pop. Okay, index error, pop from empty list. So this error will rise when you try to pop any element from an empty list. Next method is remove method. Okay, this is our next function. See, the pop function is used to remove element whose position is given. But what if you know the value to be removed but you don't know its index for position in the list? Okay, then you can use this remove method. Okay, so the remove method remove the first occurrence of given item from the list and return errors if there is no such item in the list. Okay, it will not return any value. Okay, remove method does not return any value. It only remove the first occurrence of given item from the list. Okay, if there is no such item, then it will raise an error. Okay, see here L1 dot remove of 5. Okay, L1, see 1, 3, 7, 9, 11, 3, 7. Okay, see here the L1. The list is not given. See here L1 dot remove of 3 means, see here 3 are the on the first position, and here also last second position also 3 occurred. So L1 dot remove of 3 means it will remove only first occurrence of these 3. Next occurrence is still here. Okay, then L1 dot remove of 10. See, it will raise an error because in this list there is no such element 10. Okay children, that's why it will return an error or it will raise an error. Next one is clear method. This function remove all the items from the list and the list becomes empty list. Okay, so remove method is used to remove the element. Okay, first occurrence of the element. Pop method is used to remove either from the last position or based on the index you passed into the function. And the clear method is also used to remove not only the single element, it will remove all the elements from the list. Okay, and the list become an empty list. See children, the list not deleted. Okay, after removing all the elements, the list will be an empty list. That means the empty list is exist. Okay, see this is a syntax list.clear. Then L1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. L1 dot clear. Okay, that means all the elements removed. Then when you print this L1, you will get an empty list. Okay, and then see the note. Unlike del list name statement, okay, del list name statement, clear will remove only the elements and not the list. After clear, the list object still exists as an empty list. Okay, children, now I believe the idea or the concept is clear to you. What's the difference between del and clear? When you use this clear statement, only the items will remove or to delete from the list. The empty list will exist. Okay. Next one, count. Okay. The count method is used to count number of items that you passed as an argument. Okay. In the given item is not in the list, it will return 0. See, suppose this is our list. Then L1.count of 20 means it will count how many 20 is in our list. See here how many 20, here 1, here 1. So total number of 20s are 2. So it will return 2. Here L1.count of 40. Only 140. So it will return 1. Here L1.count of 11. No such element in this list. That's why it will return 0. Okay, so count method is used to count number of elements in the list. Okay, and if there is no such element, it will return 0. Okay, children. The next one, reverse method. This method is used to reverse the items in the list. Okay. See example, L1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 20, 30, 100. Okay. Then L1 dot reverse. This is the syntax to reverse a list. Then L1 means it will display the given list in reverse order. Okay. See. Remember, it just display in reverse order, not in a sorted order. Okay, reverse method is simply reverse the given list. See, L2 is equal to 11, 22, 33. Then L3 is equal to L2 dot reverse. That means it will not return any value. Okay, L3 is equal to empty. That means this L3 is assigned L2 dot reverse. Okay, see the reverse function does not return any value. That's why this L3 will be an empty list. Okay, children. Next one, sort method. This function sort the items of the list by default increasing order, that is ascending order. Okay, then it does not create a new list. See the example. L1 dot sort. Okay, so this is our list. Then L1 means these sort elements are sorted in ascending order. Here L2 is equal to string list. Then L2 dot sort means C, A, B, C, D, E, G. Okay, we displayed in ascending order. Then L1 dot sort of reverse equal to true. Okay, sort of reverse equal to true. The reverse equal to true means it will display the elements in descending order. Okay, that means when the value of reverse equal to false, then the sorting method will be ascending, and the value of reverse equal to true, then the sorting method will be descending. Okay, so to display a list element in descending order, you can use reverse equal to true. Okay, then you will get a descending order list. See here, sorted. Next one is sorted. Okay, the sorted function returns a sorted list of the specified iterable object. You can specify ascending or descending order. Strings are sorted alphabetically. Okay, here also we specify only sort. Okay, so here one is sorted. Okay, see, you cannot sort a list that contain both string values and numeric values. Okay, the list should be either string list or numeric list, not a mixed list. Okay, children, see the example H, B, A, C, F, D, E, G. Then X is equal to sorted of A means it will sort. Okay, print X means then you will get a sorted list. See here the same list. Here sorted. Okay, A comma reverse equal to true. Okay, here we specify the condition reverse equal to true means it will display the list in reverse order. Okay, see in the sort method, here also you can give the condition. Okay, here L2 dot sort. Okay, here name is sort. Here the name is sorted. Okay, children. The next one, what are the difference between sort and sorted? Okay, here sort modify the list it is called on. That is, the sorted list is stored in the same list. A new list is not created. Sorted, it creates a list, new list. Okay, containing a sorted version of the list passed to it as argument. It does not modify the list passed as a parameter. See this one, it works on a list and modifies it, but sorted take any iterable sequence type such as a list or a tuple, etc. and always return a sorted list irrespective of the type of the sequence passed to it. Okay, and sort method does not return anything. Okay, it modifies the list in place. Remember, sort method modify the list in place. Then sorted returns a newly created sorted list. It does not change the past sequence. Okay, so sorted method not create a new list, but sorted method, sort method not create a new list, but sorted method create a new list. Sort method modify the list in place, but sorted method does not change the past sequence. Okay, children. So next one, min, max and sum methods. Okay, min method is used to find the minimum value. Max method is used to find the maximum value. and sum function is used to find the sum of the elements in the list. See the example, value is equal to 17, 24, 15 and 13. Then print min of val. Print min of val means here the minimum value from the list will print. Say in this list 15 is the minimum value, that's why it returns 15. Here print max of val. So maximum value is 30, that's why it returns 30. Okay. Then print sum of val. Sum of val means it will add all the elements in the list and the sum will return. Okay. So now I believe this concept min, max and sum is very clear to you because it's not a tough topic. Okay. So children, you have to work all the concepts that we have discussed today. Okay. See you again with some programs related to list. Okay. Till then, bye. Thank you.